And welcome to another Minecraft video. And today I'm gonna play Minecraft and yeah, and this is a Minecraft video that is called, and this is a new series of Minecraft. And where's my Minecraft? Eh, eh. Oh, there it is. And my Minecraft is here. Hey, what did I put here? And let's get started. And I got some mods here, and if you want to get, sorry guys, if you want to subscribe me, I will make some videos of I got some mods. Okay. Sorry guys, I got some many servers here because of my MCP recorder. Last night I just joined a server. Yes, this is it. Okay. And we got a pickaxe here, and yeah. And some cows is here. And yeah. This is episode 1. Let's make some sticks and torch. And I got some crafting table now, guys. I got some crafting table, and let's put my crafting table. Is this getting dark? Not yet. Okay. I put the crafting table there, and I need a little bit of your furnace. Did I got some? Okay, it's not 7. It's not 8. I need a stone pickaxe so much. And suddenly guys, you can hear me now. I need some door. Boom. There we go. That's a nice little home. Oopsie. And suddenly guys, you like this video because I just downloaded a screen recorder, and I got some girl just teach you need the screen recorder, and I watched something how to spawn here, and I watched something like that, and I read the comments. You need the screen recorder, and I just searched screen recorder, and it needs roots, and I don't have any roots last time, and there we go. I got some roots now because of Forshare. And thank you guys, oh man, for liking. Oh no, I don't have any videos on YouTube yet, but I will post some. And suddenly guys, you will be my awesome bros. And if you guys watch PewDiePie, and I subscribe him. PewDiePie. Yeah, I subscribe Pewds. His name is Pewds. Okay. I calling him Pewds. And suddenly guys, you will know what I'm playing today, because this is Minecraft 0.9.5, and you guys know I am a YouTuber right now, and it's getting dark, and monsters is outside, and I will break this for a much room, for a bigger room. And yeah, suddenly guys, you will know I'm playing Minecraft. And I'm gonna break this block with some fabric on there. And yeah, and guys, this is a Minecraft video, and today I'm good, and this is My username is CoolGamer1234567 and you bros are awesome. And if you are making some videos too, I will subscribe you. If I subscribe you, subscribe me. Because I subscribe you. Because I just subscribe you and you will subscribe me. And we're gonna be friends like that. And yeah. Gonna make torch. Torch. I got two cool, okay, and yeah, if you guys know Minecraft, just comment me if you know Minecraft, if you how to spawn Herobrine, and guys, you are awesome, I just said. Reminder, you guys know, if you know guys Minecraft, just comment it on YouTube, okay guys, because I will subscribe you, okay, that's true guys. Gonna get some hard work here. Yeah. And yeah. And this is the end of the video. And thank you guys for watching. And this is the end of the video guys. Thank you. And subscribe me. Awesome. Yeah.